At its core is a 1.8 horsepower plunging motor that cuts through large format tile with ease, and a sliding cutting head that delivers smooth, controlled movements for clean, accurate results on ceramic tile and porcelain. You get a tilting rail for angled cuts up to 45 degrees, plus a plunge function for interior cutouts. Cut up to 49 inches and over 34 inches diagonally, with a max tile depth of 2 3/4 inches. You can handle large materials without slowing down. The built-in water system keeps the blade cool and reduces dust, so you get better performance and longer blade life. Pair it with any QEP 10-inch blade for a wide range of tile jobs. Expertly designed with all electrical cables fully enclosed for safe, uninterrupted operation. It includes a detachable side table for additional support. That means more flexibility on every job. Easy to move and set up, at 118 pounds with folding legs, it's ready to go wherever you need it to. The QEP 49-inch bridge saw, simple, powerful, and built to get the job done.